Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the TCA Quadrant add-on for your TCA Officer Pack Airbus Edition Quadrant. In my previous video, you should have seen the unboxing for that TCA Officer Pack. And so this is going to be an add-on to the Quadrant. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it right now. And this comes with your installation guide and user guide. And some connectors. So this should be for your, I believe, your trim or flaps. Actually, maybe the flaps and the trim here. This should be, you can use your screwdriver to take this apart, and this is where you connect the cables. So with the Quadrant, you just use the screwdriver to take it apart, and you connect those connectors here, and they should sit right next to each other, and this is where you connect these cables. This comes off on both ends right there. It shows right here, you take off those connectors. So there you have it. This is the TCA Quadrant add-on for your Airbus Quadrant. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So please click like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.